PSU Bank Index, by the way, ends up 3.6%. Names like Canara Bank and all did very well. Bank Nifty is up about 1.6%, and the Private Bank Index is up 1.5%. The one sector which was down firmly since the word go was the metal sector, which ends down about 0.75%. Market breadth, by the way, it deteriorated but picked up. But 1,200 lower and 1,000 stocks higher, still in favor of declines in terms of trade. All right, so Nifty stocks and what happened. SBI, top gainer, 3%. Bajaj, Finserv, 2%. There was Axis Bank, as I said, financials, 2% higher. ICICI Bank, 1 3/4. Non-financials like NTPC and Bajaj Auto were higher as well. Bajaj, of course, reacting to those results. And then you had IndusInd, which is basically back at 1,200. Reliance was up as well. And I think that was part of the reason why the index was looking good. 2,400 plus on Reliance, about 1.5% in the green. Rima, broader markets.
What a solid day for banks, right? So even mid-cap banks were shining in trade, while the Nifty Bank went home with a cut of close to about 1.5%. You had strong numbers coming in from Bank of Maharashtra, so that fueled a 5.5% rally in that. And remember, even the other two banks which have reported numbers so far, Federal Bank and HDFC Bank, both of them looked very promising. City Union Bank, Canara Bank also seeing significant buying today. A couple of the other winners, Just Style on the back of its numbers. BLS was a gainer, stock up close to about 10% by the end of trade after Shankar Sharma bought about 11.5 lakh shares in the stock. IDFC First, Blue Star, a couple of stocks where brokerages have been fairly bullish. You had earnings coming through from names like Orient Hotels, on some of the smaller companies like Orient Hotels, the stocks reacting to numbers. On the way down, earnings misses from Tata Elxsi, Oberoi Realty, D-Mart. So these stocks lost in trade, Nigel.
Well, that's right, Rima. Well, just to wind things down then, the Nifty goes home with a gain of close to around 130 points. The SGX Nifty had suggested a downtick to kickstart trade. That turned out to be a perfect entry opportunity. The Nifty Bank, solid performance today, closes near that 40,000 odd mark. It's conquered that 20-day MA, conquered that 50-day MA as well, and it's looking rock solid. The mid-cap index, that was a relative underperformer though today, ended marginally in the green, and you had more number of stocks that were declining in comparison to the number of stocks that were advancing.